Well, even though Vermont took a backseat during this historic blizzard, the impacts are still being felt here.
Yeah, dozens of flights out of Burlington International Airport were either canceled or delayed today. That's where we find NBC5's Jackson Stover. Jackson, this historic storm is keeping a lot of people on the ground.
Yeah, Brian, Liz, that's exactly right. I spoke with a number of travelers that were either passing through the airport today or got stuck here altogether. Some of them tell me that they found other ways home, but others weren't so lucky.
Really nothing you can do.
For the last 24 hours, Jennifer Rosati has been fighting tooth and nail to find a way back home.
So I flew into Boston. I drove up here for a wedding. We got 11 inches of snow, but I did make it to the wedding on Saturday. And I thought, oh, okay, I'll be heading out. And it looks like the weather had other plans.
Her destination, Los Angeles. She was supposed to fly out of Boston on Monday, but her flight got canceled following this weekend's historic blizzard that rocked the East Coast, making travel near impossible.
It's a matter of like, you don't actually have any other options, so it makes it pretty easy. Like this was the only seat on the only flight going out of Burlington's.
She says she's just happy she got out while she could.
Boston and surrounding, if you need to get rebooked, they just don't have any choices for a few days. So if you were supposed to fly today, it might be 3 or 4 days before you actually get out.
It wasn't just Jennifer that got stranded here. John Atkinson was in the same situation Monday afternoon, and he wanted to be here.
I was supposed to come in through Washington, D.C. this morning. That flight was canceled, so I rebooked through Chicago. That flight was delayed, and then the flight from Chicago to here was delayed, so showing up here about 6 hours later than expected.
His flight, just one of the dozens canceled or delayed at Vermont's largest airport. Atkinson says he's just grateful to be off the runway.
Both times I was delayed, it was sitting on the tarmac in the plane, so didn't see a whole lot of anything other than the back of my seat.
Now, according to the departure board here at the airport tonight, 5 overnight flights have been canceled at this point, most of them heading to New York. Now, we're also told by the airport that 92% of the parking lot here is at capacity. So if you have any morning flights to get on, you're going to want to plan ahead and make sure you're on time. For now, reporting in South Burlington, I'm Jackson Stover, NBC5 News.